Hi everyone, you guessed it. Let's go make some more peanuts. This time we're gonna make some masala peanuts. Just a test run because I've never made them before. Go ahead and bake the peanuts at 180 C for about 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll get the rest done. Here we got all our main spices. Tumeric powder, chilli powder, some curry leaves, garlic powder as well as onion powder. Add that with flour and corn flour at a 50-50 ratio. Add water so that the peanuts can stick to the flour. And the function of the oil is so that it will get crispy in the oven when we bake it later. One of the main reasons for this recipe is because the last time I did coated peanuts, you can see the link below, I ended up with quite a lot of oil in the peanuts. So I don't think that's healthy eating for anyone. Also, after frying the coated peanuts, I ended up with a sludge at the bottom. All the flour had accumulated and it was very hard to reuse the oil again. So in total, I think I only used about 2 teaspoons of oil in this one. I used the coconut oil that I made myself. It's important to spread it out well so that you only get one layer, and we're going to bake it at a high temperature this time, about 200 C. This will ensure everything gets crispy at the same time. Only thing left to do is to let it cool and have it with your favorite beverage. Like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell to be notified of new videos.